What does one checkmark mean on WhatsApp? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So let's say if you've sent a message to someone and it ends up in one checkmark, what exactly does it mean? So imagine that I sent a message to a person. Over here you can see two checkmarks, which means it has been delivered. But what does one checkmark mean? It means that the message you sent has been sent, but it is not yet delivered. It also indicates that the message has already left your device and reached the WhatsApp service. However, it hasn't been delivered to the recipient's device through WhatsApp service. Now, how does this occur? This may occur when your Wi-Fi or the recipient's Wi-Fi is not connected. So, if your or the recipient's Wi-Fi is not connected, you'll see a single check mark on your WhatsApp message. So this is how you get one single check mark on your WhatsApp message. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.